Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to restore all file from recycle bin in Windows. So let's start. Simply double click on the recycle bin and here the recycle bin is open. To restore this all files, go to the recycle bin tools tab and here in the store group, our restore all item option is available. Simply click on it and you can restore all items. Okay. And the second way, simply select the one documents and you can use here the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the all documents here. You can see total 1168 item is selected right hand side here showing. Simply right click on the mouse and click on the restore. It will restore all item from recycle bin. Okay. All item will restore in original location. Okay. As I mentioned on every file. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.